Welcome back to Anchor Audio Back to Basics. Today we will be going over how to replace the lithium-ion batteries in your Liberty 2 unit. Let's get started. Before proceeding, please make sure your unit is powered off. The batteries on some Liberty units are held together by double-sided tape on the bottom and can be difficult to remove. Step 1. Remove screws from the battery compartment located on the bottom of the unit. Step 2. Gently remove the battery compartment, unscrew the wing nut, and remove the battery bracket. Step 3. Disconnect the two black and red battery cables connected to the battery. Step 4. Remove the two old batteries and replace with the new lithium-ion batteries. Step 5. Once the new batteries have been inserted, reconnect your two red and black battery cables to the battery. Step 6. Put the battery bracket back in place and tighten with the wing nut. Step 7. Once this is completed, slide your battery compartment back into place and tighten the screws. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the batteries in your Anchor Liberty 2 unit.